We're joined now with Cherie from the Black Hills Humane Society. Now, who is this beautiful mud-colored little girl?
Isn't this the cutest little kitten?
Yes.
Her name is Quick, and she is just 2 months old. And boy, the minute you picked her up this morning, she started purring, and she's been purring ever since. So she's just a
I know, you
cutie.
can hear it ever so softly. I don't think the mics can pick it up, but
No.
it's very cute.
But yeah, she's just very sweet. She is up for adoption, of course, and her adoption fee is $100. But here's the good news. Through the end of the month, all of the dogs and cats at the shelter are half off.
Half off?
Half off. So her adoption fee is only actually $50 for the rest of the month. But she's already spayed and ready to go home. So
Obviously a curious little girl. You could see her just kind of checking out the studio, and just lovely markings on her.
she is. She just is very pretty. She has a cute little brown tip on her ears and just a nice little kitten. Make a great pet.
Yes, of course. And any events coming up, Cherie?
Well, of course, we want to remind everybody the poker run in September is on the 20th. And then on the 13th of September, we'll be out at PetSmart for an adoption event. We'll have some of our dogs out there. Probably be out there about 10 in the morning for about 3 hours. So please stop out for that as well.
Well, thank you
All right.
so much, Cherie. If you want to take Quick home, or any of her feline or canine friends at the Black Hills Humane Society, again, they are 50% off for the remainder of August. Very cool, Cherie.
Yes,
Thanks.
thank you so much for joining.